What motivated me to come to EHOVE was to do something that I love and am passionate about. So in the program, we learn how to properly and safely give massage. We learn practice running your own business and how to stay professional.
Hi. I'm massaging the legs and feet today.
You could work for yourself, be a traveling massage therapist. You could work with the doctor's office, chiropractor's office, sports therapy. There's a lot of stuff that you could get into.
Doing the face, neck, and shoulders.
Okay, looks very relaxing.
The advantages for me choosing EHOVE, it was close, it's local, it's a really great staff, they're very helpful. My program instructor, she's really great. She does a great job explaining the techniques and making sure that we understand them. So this is our instructor, Mrs. Ames. I think it's good that she also is in the field herself outside of here, so she can give us hands-on experience of what is actually going on. There will be a high demand for massage therapists. I know a lot of people that have gone through it already, and they're working either for themselves or other places, and they are very successful. You should come to EHOVE to start your career now. Your future, your career.